shake.
Hey, what's up everyone, that's Mechanic Mode here, and today you're gonna see how I'm gonna replace this engine. That's a 2014 Dodge Charger 3.6 liters rear-wheel drive. So now we can drop the engine on the cross member to connect to the mount, and the plan after that is to put everything back together. I'm gonna start with wire harness. Before wire harness, I'm gonna connect the engine with transmission, and later we'll do the the bolt for torque converter. So up here I'm gonna put the wire harness and then the hoses and stuff like that. I will show you later everything on this video how I'm doing it, and after we gonna start the car. Alright guys, so the engine is on the car, I mean on the frame. So I'm going to start connect everything back, to put everything back together, and after this we're gonna start it to see if it works. After if it works, of course, I'm gonna call the customers. Actually I have a customer for this car. They are going to test drive it. If they like the car, I'll drop the car to body shop for paint job right here, and that's it. Probably that's gonna be the story of this car. I'm not gonna keep it, so you will go away. So let's do another job and see if it starts. That means the wire harness are from Mercedes. Just imagine that. I didn't know that. I just was putting the wire harness back, connecting the connectors, and this emblem from Mercedes-Benz, it came out. That's crazy. Guys, check this out. Just check this out. The hardest part putting this engine back on the car is connecting the flywheel with torque converter to put the bolts back, because you don't have really enough space and the right angle to tie up the bolts. So you'll play with this some time, but in general removing and putting this engine on the car is not that hard, how it says on let's say in all data. So if you have some skills and experience, it's really not too hard to work on this engine. So guys, I just finished to screw all the bolts around the transmission and the starter too. Yeah, these two are the bolts from the starter and the upper one. Also have a small cover here. You can see it's a 15mm small bolt. Now I'm gonna, so the right exhaust manifold, it's connected already to the right engine head. Now I have to connect the left one, the driver's side, to connect the connectors, of course, from O2 sensors. And under here I'm almost done. I have left only to screw all the bolts for the rack and pinion, and that's it. I'm done under the car. I have left only on the upside of the engine. I will show you guys in 1 second what I have to do there, and after we can start the car. So hey guys, I have probably here 2 hours left to put everything back together. So I have left to connect the alternator, compressor, AC compressor, the exhaust, only the driver's side. I have to connect rest of the wires behind and some hoses. Okay guys, so this engine, it takes 5W20. This is the oil that I got. This is 5W20 Tens oil. So I'm gonna put the oil, I'll put the air intake, and we'll try to start the car. part to fixing cars from auction is this one. I love it. Alright guys, so what about this car now? The engine is running, is working, the car is drivable. So I'm done for this episode. If you like this video, thumbs up, share with this video with your friends, your family, of course, if that's gonna help them. If this video helped you, then I'm very happy, and hopefully I'm gonna make better stuff, new videos. You guys stay tuned. Wait every week for another video, and see you next time.